Okay, question number 21 is from trigonometry. In the triangle below, what is the value of cos of x degrees? So here is our angle, x degrees. Now first, before answering this question, let's understand the concept. In right triangle, in trigonometry and right triangle, we use the terms opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. And that depends upon where our angle is. Now our angle is here. Let's name the triangle A, B and C. So our angle is at A. Wherever the angle is, the opposite sign is always considered as the opposite. And the side which is touching angle A, that is known as adjacent, right? And the side which is opposite to 90 degree, this is opposite to 90 degree, and this is always the hypotenuse. For example, if I just change the angle, let's take the same triangle with same names A, B and C. So this is our triangle. B is 90 degree, C is here, A is here. Now the angle is at C instead of at A. In our question it's here, but let's see it's here. This is x degrees. So then the side opposite, this will be the opposite. See, the sides have changed the position. We have changed nothing. A, B, C are as it is, but where the angle is, accordingly opposite and adjacent change their places. Hypotenuse is always the same. It is always the side opposite to 90 degree. So hypotenuse, and BC is now adjacent because it is touching the considered angle. You must be thinking that AC is also touching it, so it can also be adjacent. No, opposite and adjacent are always from the two legs of the perpendicular, and hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. So in case of C, opposite adjacent is BC and opposite is AB. But in our question, this is the angle degree, so that means this side will be opposite and this is adjacent, and because it's touching the angle, and this one is hypotenuse. Now opposite is not given to me, right? But let's see, it's even needed in our question. We need to find cos of x degrees, and cos of x degrees, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, and these two are given to us. Adjacent is 11 and hypotenuse is 28. So we do not need to find the opposite. Our question says needs only cos of x, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. That means 11 upon 28. Correct?